Former Chief Minister N. Biren today alleged the Congress-led UPA government of outrightly rejecting the demand of Inner Line Permit ILP in Manipur. N. Biren referred to the question raised by the then MP from Manipur, Dr. Thokchom Mainya, during Parliament session on September 4, 2012. In a post on X, N. Biren wrote that Minister of State for Home Affairs, Shri Mullapalli Ramachandran, under the then UPA government, had rejected the demand for ILP for Manipur. He further questioned the Congress leadership for remaining silent during the mass protest which resulted due to demand of ILP. In the post, N. Biren further maintained that a young student, Sapam Robin Hood, made ultimate sacrifice for the cause of ILP. While alleging Congress leadership of showing no empathy to the people of Manipur, N. Biren accused Congress of appeasing illegal immigrants while treating indigenous people as second-class citizens. Expressing his angst against Congress, N. Biren wrote and praised BJP government under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah of understanding the sentiments of Manipuri people as the centre fulfilled the long-standing demand of Inner Line Permit for Manipur.